What is up, guys? Jamaica came here with another reaction. Guys, my eyes are closing down. I'm tired as hell. I'm so tired. I was streaming for like 8.5 hours on Twitch last night, yo. I still not getting sleep. Anyway, today we are here for Ghetts and Gigs Crud. Crud, C-R-U-D. I don't know if crud means anything like disgustingly, like a sticky substance, or crap, or anything like that. Like disgusting, like you're not mess, like. Yes, shit like that it means. I hope I'm right anyway. So, big up all of the young artists that's reaching out, seeing me. Big up on the same. I see the whole on the DMs and thing. See them my phone I go off. My sister text me. Wrong timing. Let's go down this up. Alright. Let's jump straight in. Where are we? See where? See there? Crud. Alright, let's go. Crud Daily. Okay. Is this a new series? Is this like a Daily Duppy? You know you have the yellow and white. No, the yellow and black. This is Crud, the yellow and black also. Is this a new thing? Or just a one-off thing? I don't know. Explain.
How the fuck you get punched up with a gun tucked?
What? Brother, all the blood clot you have your gun pan you make a man punch you up. What the fuck there, brother? Let me take off my glasses. Only in a trouble, you know. Only in a bumbo clot trouble. Oh, you as a man have your gun tucked in. And you get punched up. What? Is it a water gun? Is it a Nerf? Eh? Is it a Nerf? You understand? Wait. It's too early. Ghetts, let's go.
Lumped up without the sum. That sums up all you dumb fucks. Dum-dums without the gun. Shouldn't.
Yo, this guys are great. This guys are fucking great. So I'm a fan, my heart already. This guy is a great, like no joke. This guy is a great. No joke, great.
For above 30, but man are too bloodthirsty. Left that club drunk without the rum. Knife work, man's cutting out early.
Red player. Let's listen to that again.
Too bloodthirsty. Left that club drunk without the rum. Knife work, man's cutting out early.
Left that club without the rum. Knife work, man, cutting out early. So, me always say this. Yo, me a cutting out, brother. Wait, me a cutting out. That mean I'm ready. I'm gone. Like, me a cut, me ready. Let's go. Like, that it mean. Me a cut. Yeah, ready. Let's go.
Talk is cheap. Anyone can outword me. I push man to the max, no mercy. They keep talking Game of Thrones, but if you look at the stats, I'm Cersei.
What is going on? What is going on here?
Max, no mercy. They keep talking Game of Thrones, but if you look at the stats, I'm Cersei. That's another head gone. You could be right and alive.
I'm too tired for this. If Ghetts is going on like this and Gig not jumping yet, what?
Or you could be dead wrong. We don't hide that unless man's in Croatia. We go find out where you live and go later. Better mind that I'm as close as your neighbor. Clara and a mask man, no Mr. Vega.
What? You hear the floor? You hear the floor, the switch? You hear the floor, the switch? Watch this.
Dead wrong. We don't hide that unless man's in Croatia. We go find out where you live and go later. Better mind that I'm as close as your neighbor. Clara and a mask man, no Mr. Vega.
Clara and a mask man, no Mr. Vega. Mr. Vega is a someone from Street Fighter. A character from Street Fighter. We have the clap on him on like Wolverine. See it up on the screen. Yo! You hear the floor? You hear the floor switch? Instantly. Rapidly.
No bullshit, we don't panic. Full clip cinematic. Full clip cinematic. Caught him in the traffic. Old school gigs, let him have it.
Gigs, I say, yo, fuck the conscious, Gigs. No. Ghetts, I say, yo, fuck the conscious. Yo, Gigs. Forward, not the traffic. See, boy, a traffic light, stop. unattended. Let's attend to him and deal with the situation. That is what the boss is saying. Old school in the traffic. The clip full in the matic. You want something? Alright, let him have it. Bumbleclot! Is Giggs gonna step in now? Is Giggs gonna step in now, guys?
What's that breeze? Just caught wind of the fascie. When his friend came back, he was a vegetable sadly.
Oh! Yo, me just see the pussy. Me just got the pussy. Me just got the fussy. What? Cabbage him up. Cabbage, lettuce, broccoli. I want parsnip. I want a bamboo. No joke. Vegetable.
Letting off right now, it's going on Jezebel scatty. What? Blood, there's ring off the ting, and then there's Decibel happy.
Some of these so-called drill rappers need to sit the fuck down. Cause if you make these man take it up back again, brother, you don't have no room in the industry. If you make these greats take it up, you do not have no room in the industry. So sit the fuck down. Stop hyping. The boss never put out this for sure. He said, listen, we are still here, brother. We can do it. We can get back down to the nitty-gritty, but we are bigger than that now. So don't hype yourself. We paved the way for you. Pussies. Several pussies. That's what the man are telling now. Let's go.
Two different things. The man them are well splashy. Bang, bang, ricochet and ping. Will somebody tell Ashley?
Jesus Christ. Yo. Why am I big up on yourself? Editor, once again, big up on a fucking self, dog. This is not a daily dopey, but I don't know what the fuck this is, dog. This is fire. I love this, brother.
Gang, land, every day and ting. Then I moved out gladly. Hashtag, get away from him. They wanna shoot out badly.
Ghetts, I have a question for you, brother. What made you do this? What made you come back with a track like this, young Giggs? What made, like, me not hear Giggs verse yet, but what made, why? What's the reason, bro? No one know. Me just want to know. Is it to prove a point to these so-called drill rappers or young artists that are hype up themselves to say you're still here? What is it, bro? Me not understand. Tell me, please.
Apart from mistakes, what are you made? Money. Couldn't even make Kool-Aid. My badly. Apart from mistakes, what are you made? Money. Couldn't even make Kool-Aid.
Pussy, you can't even make Kool-Aid. You can't even make Kool-Aid. Yo.
Girlfriend's preggers right now, it's ironic how my birthday is a due date. If I'm out of line, there's a reason my logic ain't Cubase.
So if girl pregnant right now and our due date is on his birthday, that would have been a good birthday present for you, my G. No joke. Good birthday present.
Talking about X-Men, I don't care about X-Men unless they can mutate.
We don't care about X-Men unless them can mutate. It's a new thing I talk about our X-Man. Step aside with your X-Man. X-Men X. We don't care about X-Man. He's no threat. Unless he can mutate.
I don't care if it's US or UK. I don't care if it's a duet or crusade. I don't care if it's you, them and Luke Cage. If I slew them, it's doomsday.
Man say him not care who. US or UK. Him not care who, brother. Him not business, dog. He just doesn't care. Yo, let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go, man.
Same person, straight murked. That left there, right turned it. When I left there, diverted. I did it there, diversions.
Yo, me not understand what the fuck I go on. Basically, them dep on the grime daily scene. I create a scene. Like it's this song this Crud thing really fit the meaning of what this song is about, dog. Like
your version of my version. The playback or live version. They want Ghetts back for the 2000 live version.
They want Ghetts back to the 2000 live. Yo. I'm excited about Ghetts verse, man.
You got beard, bullets to make your face look weird. I shot until the way man side burning.
Nah, she's still good food though.
Yo! The man say, yo, pussy because you have beard, think you're a big man. Eh? Gunshot make your face look weird. I want to mess up your face, Cyburn style. Ashanti. Nah, go lie, she pretty though. That's what the boss say. You see it? Let's go.
Shoot and dada. Can't tell man about rules and batter. Can't tell man about boom and scatter. Can't tell man about shoot like caca.
You can't tell man about nothing. Brother, I been there, me done the shoot and dada this. You can't tell me about nothing. Shoot Irish caca. Oh, I'm telling you, we done it.
Can't tell man about who's that rapper. Them kind of thing make human para. Can't tell man about food and chopper. Been out here since Fubu and Kappa.
You hear that? Some of you kids don't even... I've never even seen a Fubu. I've been out here since then. Before that. Oh, I'm Tono.
Baby 9 man go go gaga. Sting man like Buju and Shabba. All man here is Budo from Baka.
You get the reference, eh? Listen to it. Listen to that that reference.
Man go go gaga. Sting man like Buju and Shabba. All man here is Budo from Baka.
Sting man like Buju and Shabba. Sting is a show that Lenky. Once again, we're back to the police. The infamous soca, the infamous known badman police from back in the days. Leng have a show now. Well, he had it. He stopped a couple of years ago. Sting. That's where all the clash go on. That's where all the big artists perform. If you're hot for the following year, that December, you're on the show. Sting. So Sting, Shabba, and Buju wreck the stage millions of times. So Sting man like Buju and yes. So him know that.
Green Gate gangbanger, no Subu or blue bandana. J us for the knife. That's Juju and Dagger.
Oh, here we go. There goes trouble. Here goes.
Beat so tasty, gig so rude, yeah, gig so feisty. Pricks.
The two man them come in with a bang. The two man them fouled in with a bang. Gigs, let's go,
Get
Gigs.
bruised up, hit no safety. Pricks get moved up, bitch don't make me. You, him, her, that bitch don't rate me. You've been acting nervous lately.
Gig style is so distinctive. You can tell it from a mile away. Like if you're asleep and like subconsciously sleeping, and you hear a sound, you can know that it's Gigs in your sleep, dog. No joke.
Dude got Captain murdered Bately. Broad day burnt up, slapped up weighty. Yeah, slapped up shaky. Wake him up, wakey.
Slapped up, shaky. Bah! Knock him out, you know. See, I wake him up. Wakey. Wake up. Oh, I'm telling you. Get up. Oh!
Yeah, big bread, you so bakery. Forgot my weed, so who's gonna lace me?
Yo. No weed in the dog. Man, no weed. You think now? Lace me up now. Oh, I'm Tono. Yo, give me some of my weed, man. But party buckler, weed. Party weed. That's the man has to say now. Yo, I forgot my weed now. Oh, lace me.
Sticky, blue marijuana. Yeah, Lucy and Lana. My chew the banana.
Lucy and who want chew your banana, Gigs? You're so disgusting, man.
Marijuana. Yeah, Lucy and Lana. My chew the banana.
Lucy and Nana or Lucy and Anna? Lucy and Nana want chew the banana. Not the banana that grows on trees, you mean? Not the banana that grows on trees. Yeah. Girl want to give him the hook up.
And Lara.
Lara
do say we call her. And man got the power like I moved in with Lala.
Man got the power like a moving Lala. Lala from Power. Lala that turned out to be my name girlfriend. Tommy girlfriend. Where the girl name was Killer. Next girl, man. Ghost wife Killer.
Holla got man so nervous. Sweet, man so wervers. Sweeties, man so sherbet.
Be a sweetie references, you know. Get man nervous, sweet, curvers, sweet.
Yeah, man just rinsed that Mac straight. Man flip burgers. Yeah, man got hit 9 times. Yeah, man got Curtis.
Man got hit 9 times. Man got Curtis. I don't get that reference. I know the hit 9 times is shot 9 times, but what is Curtis? Explain, guys.
Yeah, man just allow me. Bout it. Rowdy. Yeah.
Yo, these two, yo, is one of the greatest. These two is one of. It's two of the greatest to ever grace the UK stage. These two are two of the greatest. I don't care what nobody says who is the greatest, no, but these guys help pave the way for you youngers. So show no respect. None of them can size up. None of you guys, like most of you guys will not achieve half of what these guys achieve. Not like most of you guys, honestly speaking. No cap. No Willie Hat. No Tam. No lie. No joke.
Nigga don't die me, stylist, no one don't style me. Nigga just give me some space, please, no one don't crowd me.
Give me some space. Ease up. Me know me a celebrity, but me don't want to no crowd me. Sometimes I like me by myself. Don't crowd me, just give me some space, dog. I want to see me dress and come out. I mean style myself. No stylist, no style me, brother. Me have my own PR. No?
Yeah, new innuendo. Parked at the station. Old school, used to Nintendo. Greasy, uno memento.
If you guys know the Nintendo where the splash on the screen, you guys know what this song is about. If you don't know it, then back up. Go one side. Lift off.
Got that shoot him again though. Boost in the bando. Fuck that, boost in the benzo. Big cake for a hen do.
Big cake for an endo. Yo, like me say, me can't stop giving these two guys praises, man. These two, this is a sick collab, dog. No joke.
Who be the hen though? He's got the high grade. But who's got the creme though? Yeah.
Oh, he's got the high grade, but who's got the creme? What is the creme? Can someone explain what the creme is to me? Is that like a drink or something? I don't know.
Skirt in a Lamborghini, yeah, skirt it again, bro. With that Dr. Dre and Eazy-E, turn up Lorenzo.
Yo, Ghetts, calm your fucking self down, my G. Calm down, my G.
Hung, yeah, H on the honker. Saw me with Swiss beats. Video, H on the monster. Yeah.
Saw me with Swiss beats, H on the monster. Is that what I said? H and M monster.
Saw me with Swiss beats. Video, H on the monster.
H on the monster. H on the monster. Don't get a reference. Explain. Explain, guys. Explain. This is why you guys are here. Explain, right?
With a romper stomper, yeah, take it and conquer. Man can't respect this you, cause mate, you're a plonker.
If you can't respect me, boy, you're a plonker. You're a 24 karat plonker. You are a genuine plonker. That is what you are. A genuine, not a 9 karat, 24 karat plonker. That is what you are. Sorry, I have to keep turning my head because the video turned. Sorry.
Living. Man's just living this. Man's so stupid. Man's the silliest.
That explains the whole crud, sorry. The whole crud meaning. This song, like I said earlier, this song explains the whole crud meaning, dog. No joke.
Straight Darth Vader. Hates Darth Sidious.
True dan dada. Can't tell man about rules and batter.
Too fucking fire verse. Back to the chorus again. I didn't even know this was the chorus, but yo, bumbo class.
Can't tell man about boom and scatter. Can't tell man about shoot like caca. Can't tell man about who's that rapper. Them.
Yeah, like once you see me, you're gonna know me. So you can't have no question. Once you see gigs and Ghetts on the road, you can't ask nobody, who is that rapper again? Pussy. My name Stain like Curry. My name Stain. Anywhere you see him, boy, people know him. Any picture you see of Bob Marley, people know him. That is what is going on. Anywhere you see me gigs, you have to know me. Anywhere you see me Ghetts, you have to know me. Because I'm that type of guy. No joke.
Can't tell man about food and chopper. Been out here since Fubu and Kappa. Baby 9 man go gaga.
Baby 9 go gaga. Is talking about a strap? But yeah, the copper, me used to have some copper football boots, dog. Me used to have some copper football boots. And a copper tracksuit bottom. No, not football boots. Copper tracksuit bottom. And yo, back in the days was a struggle.
It's Budo from Baka. Green Gate gang banger. No Suwu or blue bandana. J us with a knife. That's Juju and Dagger.
Bumbo clot. What is? Wait a minute. Reference. That's the goat. Reference. Goats. Goat under there. One goat there, but these two guys are goats. That is the reference, guys. Me bumbo clot. Yo, that was fire. Me enjoy that. Guys, if you guys enjoy this, leave a comment down below and let me know. If I miss any bars, leave a comment and let me know which one I miss, so you can correct them for me. Guys, I really appreciate the new subs them. Big respect to the original subscribers them. Big up the supporters them. Big up the people who just watch and do not subscribe or do not click like. Big up on yourself same way. I really appreciate you guys. Same way. Yo, guys, this is the end of the video. If you like the reaction, just leave a like me say, yo, I'm gonna drink some water, cause right now I don't know what's going on in my life right now.